Here are 5 highly interesting facts about Apple headquarters, Apple Park, in Cupertino, USA. Number 1. The spaceship design. Apple Park is often called the spaceship due to its circular, futuristic design. The main building has a diameter of 1,512 feet, 460 meters, and houses over 12,000 employees. Number 2. Eco-friendly and energy efficient. The entire campus is powered by 100% renewable energy, with an extensive solar array generating 17 megawatts of power. It is one of the largest LEED Platinum-certified buildings in the world. Number 3. Massive cost. The construction of Apple Park is estimated to have cost around $5 billion, making it one of the most expensive corporate headquarters ever built. Number 4. Largest curved glass panels. The building features the world's largest curved glass panels, made specifically for Apple Park. These glass panels surround the entire building, allowing natural light to flood the offices. Number 5. 70% green space. Apple Park sits on a 175-acre site, with 80% of the area dedicated to green spaces. More than 9,000 drought-resistant trees were planted, and the campus even includes an orchard, a meadow, and a pond. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.